The dental technology has advanced quite a ways in the last decades, and the advances have significantly improved the quality of care for patients. From 3D printers and digital impressions, there are an array of innovative technologies changing the way dentists perform their work. In this short video, we'll look at some important advancements in the field of dental technology and explain how they can benefit the patients. Digital impressions. One of the most significant advances in the field of dental technology is the introduction for digital impressions. The traditional impression process required patients to chew on an uncomfortable, messy substance to make a mold of their tooth. The process could be painful and time-consuming for the patient. Digital impressions are created using the handheld scanner, can be used to make a 3D representation of the teeth of the patient. The image is then utilized to design bridges, crowns, as well as other dental restorations with amazing accuracy. Digital impressions are quicker as well as more precise, making them significantly more relaxing for patients. Alongside enhancing the experience for patients, digital impressions can also be used to improve communications between dentists. Digital impressions can be quickly transferred between dental labs, which results quicker time to complete restorations as well as improved overall results for patients. 3D printing. A further exciting development in the field of dental technology is the application in 3D printing. 3D printers are able to design a variety of dental prosthetics. These include bridges, crowns, as well as dental implants. The technology can create customized, exact dental restorations that are perfectly suited to the mouth of a patient. 3D printing can also be used to create immediate dental restorations that eliminate the necessity for numerous appointments as well as temporary restorations. This reduces the time spent by dentists and patients and can speed up the treatments for dental problems. One of the greatest advantages that comes with 3D printing is the capability to design customized dental implants. Implants of the past required a long procedure of designing customized crowns and abutments. However, with 3D printing, all of the restorations is created on site, which results in faster treatments and improved results for patients. CAD/CAM technology. The CAD/CAM technique is a further important technological advancement for dentistry technology. The CAD, computer-aided design, and CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, software allows dentists to make dental restorations that are extremely precise. The CAD software can be used to create restorations using scans or digital impressions of the patient's teeth. The design is then transferred to a CAM device that will then mill the restoration from the block of material like composite resin or ceramic. The process is extremely exact and produces dental restorations that are perfectly positioned in the mouth of a patient. The CAD/CAM system also permits more customized dental restorations. Dental professionals can adjust the shape, size, and shade of the restorations to complement the natural teeth. This results in more natural-looking smiles. Intraoral cameras. Intraoral cameras are a crucial instrument in the modern-day dental practice. The cameras, which are small in size, can be used to capture high-definition pictures of the patient's teeth as well as gums. They provide dentists with an accurate view of the mouth cavity. With intraoral cameras, dentists are able to quickly spot issues like gum disease and cracks within teeth. This provides earlier diagnosis and treatment for dental issues, which results in improved results for patients. The intraoral cameras can also assist patients to gain a better understanding of their oral dental health. Dental professionals can provide patients with images of their gums and teeth and explain any problems or concerns. Patients can take part in their dental health and helps them maintain healthy oral hygiene practices. Teledentistry. Teledentistry is an incredibly novel concept within the realm of dentistry. However, it could significantly improve the quality of care for patients. Teledentistry is the use of technologies like digital pictures and video calls for dentist consultations as well as treatment remotely. This is particularly beneficial to patients living in rural or in areas that aren't well served and who might not have access to dental professionals nearby. Teledentistry lets patients receive professional dental treatment in the privacy at home, which saves both time and money in traveling expenses. Teledentistry makes it much easier for patients to obtain additional opinions or consult with dentists. Through sharing digital photos and documents with dental specialists, patients can get an extensive evaluation of their oral health and take more informed choices about the treatment they will receive. The advances in technology for dentistry have significantly enhanced the quality of care for patients over the last few times. From digital impressions to 3D printing advances, they have made dental procedures quicker, more precise, and easier for patients. With these advances, dentists can offer more positive outcomes to their patients and provide a more pleasant experience for patients all around.